Your projector is loud, built-in fans are terrible. My friend, I have a solution for you. Noctua fan, best quality and extremely quiet. When we lift the cover, this particular projector has two fans, one on the right, one on the left. The right one is the outtake fan, the left one is the intake fan. And you don't see the intake fan on the left because it's under the motherboard. And in order to get to that fan, you will have to remove the motherboard, remove the cooling below the motherboard. You basically have to disassemble everything. It's terrible design. I won't touch that fan because there's high risk to damage something. Let's just stick with the outtake fan. And of course, the layout for the cables on a regular PC fan is completely different, so you have to DIY that the hell of it. Mission complete. Now let's turn it on, and the question is it going to burst in flames? Of course you can still hear it because we replaced only one fan from two, but what a difference, wow. And bear in mind, I already tested out, I've watched 3 movies, so it's many hours of use, there's no overheating, it's all great. Winning!